This is Matt and this will be a video on how to download Outlook. So I'm right here on the main downloads page for Outlook. We can get a free version of Outlook from here, as we can see right there. So I'm on the main downloads page. Now this is quite a long URL. I'll put this URL as a link in the video description just below this video. So you can just click on that link and wind up here. Now we can get Outlook, of course, on Windows, on Mac, on iOS and on Android, as it says here. Now, if you're on Windows, you will of course click this download button right here. If you're on a Mac like I am, you will click download right here. So I have done that. Now this has taken me to the Apple App Store. So this is the App Store for Mac. And then when I click here, so this has opened up the Apple App Store for Microsoft Outlook, and all that's left to do is click this get button and that will install onto my Mac. Now I'll show you some of the other options right here. Now if you're on Windows, I've just shown you the Mac version, but if you're on Windows you will click right here and that will take us to the Microsoft Store and you will install from there, and that will be the exe, the execute file for Windows. So hopefully you found this video on how to download Outlook. I've shown you on a range of different platforms. You can get the iOS version on your iPad, on your iPhone. There's also Android device version right here. So you've got all of the options here. That link will be in the video description, so you can just click that link. You don't need to go searching and finding stuff, because it is kind of, this actual download section is kind of weirdly buried inside, quite a few pages. It's actually quite tricky to find. You have to come down about halfway down the page, I should say, from this main downloads page that you will see in the video description. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.